How are you doing? We're in HD, by the way. Well, I'm assuming we are. Right, I just want to highlight some of the changes that I'm recommending to make to this wing because of the lack of sort of rigidity, or rather flexible nature of it. It's mainly because the spars on the plan, I'll just show you that up on the plan, although you have your own plan, I'll assume by now. Those spars there, which are, on there you've got upper and lower, that kind of a dotted line there is where it goes underneath the skin there. I would change them for quarter square. All of those main spars I would change for quarter square. I haven't actually done that because I've started on the wing, but I put in a spruce one along the top, which is a hardwood one, which does add to the weight somewhat. And oh yes, I've also planked between the upper and the lower spars all the way along. If you're using quarter square, I would still do that because it makes a nice C-section which is good and strong. Also, the plan shows it being skinned over there with the 16th. I've also skinned the bottom, so that now becomes a nice kind of a stiff kind of profile there. The way to do that, because obviously you don't want to just lay the 16th over it because it would stand proud. What you would do is just take your knife and just slice down from that front lower main spar out to the leading edge, like that, if you can see that. So just slice each of those down by a 16th of an inch. Then when you take your plank, just take this bit here to show you, that will slot into there. You would mark the back and it'll just lay in as it is there, and that'll be nice and strong. You don't have to do what I'm doing with the ailerons. You can do yours as he sort of recommends, or as he has designed it, for rudder only. I just feel a plane of this size on rudder only will be very slow to respond, and the lake that I'll be flying off is not that big. So I'll just show you what I'm going to be doing and the things you would need. You would need, to start with, a Y lead which will run down through the middle of the wing, which is about there. So it'll go down through there and down through the pedestal, as that would go. That would run along there. Then you need two of these little 9-gram servos and just lay them in like that, so when the servo horn goes on it'll be sticking out the bottom of the wing and it will connect to the flap, which will run along the length of there, allowing you to operate that up and down, and the same on the other side. But as I say, you don't have to do that, and if you don't do that it'll probably take half the time to build. Right, I think that'll do for now. It's mainly a test of this HD video, to be honest. We'll just see how that goes. Okay, thanks now.